students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is the value of I dot j cross k minus j dot k cross I minus k dot j cross I is. So let's calculate this. So this will be equals to I dot j cross k will be I cap again, correct, minus j cap dot k cross I will be j cap again, and minus times k cap dot j cross I will be minus times k cap, correct. So this will be I dot I will be magnitude of I into cos of angle between them, and magnitude of unit vectors will be 1. So this will be actually be I square, and magnitude of I square will be 1. So 1 minus 1 again, and minus will be plus, and k into k will be 1 again, correct. So plus 1 minus 1 will cancel out. Our correct answer will be 1. So the correct answer is 1. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.